Today, we're diving into the best actual tech you should be looking at for Amazon Prime Day 2025. Forget the junk, forget the knockoffs. I've handpicked about 10 pieces of tech that I've either daily driven, tested, or think are generally worth your time and money, especially right now with Amazon Prime Day deals rolling out. We've got everything from brand new flagships to AI-powered recorders and ultra-efficient power banks. So if you're looking for what's hot and what's actually useful, this video is for you. Let's kick things off with what I think is the ultimate robot vacuum and mop combo, and it's on sale right now for Amazon Prime Day. This is the Ecovacs OBSBOT X9 Pro Omni, and it doesn't just clean, it thinks while it cleans. For starters, this robot vacuum is like a jet engine. With 16,600 PA of suction power and Ecovacs blast airflow system, it picks up everything from crumbs and pet fur to fine dust, even in carpets. But here's the twist. When it senses wet messes, it switches gears automatically. If you've got a sticky spill, no problem. The X9 lifts its vacuum brushes and drops a self-cleaning roller mop that spins at 220 RPMs and scrubs with real downward pressure. This robot vacuum doesn't just vacuum and mop. It knows when to vacuum and when to mop, thanks to AI stain detection and the triple lift system. It can raise or lower each cleaning brush component, vacuum brush, side brushes, and mop independently. So it keeps dry messes dry and wet messes wiped. No dragging a wet mop over your carpet, no cross-contamination. It's true dry-wet separation, an absolute game changer. It can even get into the corners most bots miss. With true edge cleaning, the mop basically extends to scrub baseboards and then retracts to avoid furniture. Once it's done, the Omni Station takes over. It empties dust, refills water, self-washes, and dries the mop with warm air. It even auto-mixes the cleaning solution. It's basically hands-off for 60 full days. Now, normally this thing sells for around $1,500, but for Amazon Prime Day, it's going for just $1,099. For a robot that handles both vacuuming and real-time pressure mopping with AI cleaning logic and full automation, it's one of the smartest home upgrades you could make. It's great for pet owners, busy families, or just anyone who's tired of cleaning. Up next is the Pixel 9 Pro. This one is shaping out to be the smartest smartphone of the year. You've got that clean pixel design, matte texture on the back, and one of the best triple camera systems Google has ever put out. A 50 megapixel main camera, a 48 megapixel telephoto, and a 48 megapixel ultra wide. What really makes this phone shine though is the Pixel UI experience, Pixel specific features like call screening, voice to text, now playing, absolutely amazing haptics, and one of the best cameras out there on a smartphone. For Amazon Prime Day, the Pixel 9 Pro is expected to drop by $100 or more, so if you've been thinking about trying out Android or switching for something older like a Pixel 7, this is a massive upgrade, especially if you're into photography and AI tools baked into your daily workflow. Alright, now on to my favorite Android phone this year, the OnePlus 13. This phone is an absolute beast. Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, a massive 6,000 mAh battery that charges at 100 watts wired and 50 watts wireless. It's fast, it's efficient, and it doesn't overheat like some of the other flagships I've tested. The triple 50 megapixel camera system tuned by Hasselblad is excellent for color accuracy and dynamic range. You're getting periscope zoom, pro video options, and full Dolby Vision capture. And here's the most important part. OnePlus undercuts the competition on price. If you see this thing drop below $900 for Amazon Prime Day, it might just be the best Android deal of the event. Now for the Apple crowd. This is the Apple Watch Series 10. This is one of the thinnest and lightest Apple Watches Apple has ever made. It's got a bigger display, new health sensors, and crazy fast charging. You're going from 0 to 80% in about 30 minutes. My favorite thing is just how thin and comfortable this watch is to wear on a daily basis. And then there's the integration with iOS 18, your phone, your AirPods. It feels like one complete ecosystem. And now with potential support for sleep apnea detection and better cycling metrics, it's a legit health device. If you've been holding out since the Series 6 or the Series 7, this is the one to jump onto. While we're on the Apple ecosystem, the PowerBeats Pro 2 finally got the refresh it needed. Now with active noise cancellation, transparency mode, and heart rate monitoring, these are easily some of the best sport-focused earbuds you can buy right now. You get Apple's H2 chip, better sound tuning, and up to 8 hours of playback with the case adding another 24 hours. And yeah, these actually stay in your ears no matter how sweaty your gym session gets. If you work out and need something more secure than AirPods Pro but still sound clean, these are for you. Look for bundles or limited colorways this Prime Day. Sometimes they go for as low as $179. Okay, this one might fly under the radar. This is the Plaud Note Pin. This little magnetic pin is an AI-powered voice recorder that sits on your shirt and transcribes everything you say. Think interviews, lectures, content planning, even journaling, all automatically synced and stored in the cloud with end-to-end encryption. It's got a clean, minimal design, up to 30 hours of battery life, and it just sort of blends in. You don't even notice that it's there. If you're a student, a content creator, or someone who likes recording thoughts without pulling out a phone, this thing is a game changer. For Prime Day, it's expected to come down to $129 from $159. Now, if you've been thinking about upgrading your webcam setup, now is the time. This right here is the OBSBOT Meet 2, and it's the smallest 4K camera I've tested that actually delivers. Now, don't let the size fool you. This thing punches way above its weight class. It shoots in crispy 4K, comes in 3 clean colors, and it fits in the palm of your hands. It's perfect for creators, streamers, remote workers, or anyone who wants to stop looking pixelated on Zoom. And yes, it performs surprisingly well in low light. Even those late night calls or dimly lit rooms don't make you look like a silhouette. One of my favorite features though is the auto framing. So if you move to the edge of the frame, the camera intelligently pans and keeps you centered, no software required. It's like having a mini camera crew on your monitor. There's also gesture control, which is wild. You can literally raise your hand and control the framing and zoom. Just make sure you've updated to the latest firmware to unlock all these features. And if you're creating vertical content for TikTok or Reels, this is where it gets cool. Just rotate the camera vertically and it automatically switches to portrait mode. No cropping, no post-editing headaches, just clean vertical videos straight from the source. And if you're worried about privacy, the magnetic privacy cover snaps on in a second, so when you're done, you're truly offline. So yeah, if you're trying to level up your webcam game and you want something clean, smart, and ultra portable, check out the OBSBOT Meet 2. Again, use the code OBSBOTCAM during Amazon Prime Day for up to 20% off. I'll drop the code and the link below. I wear these every single day. No joke. The Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses are way more useful than I expected. I can take calls, record hands-free video, live stream, and even ask Meta AI for help, all without touching my phone. I picked up the transition lenses so I can wear them indoors and outdoors without switching glasses. It's like having a personal assistant and a camera built into your shades. Now, if you've been thinking about these, now is the time. These are on sale for Prime Day, definitely worth the call. Next up is the AOHI's 140 watt, 40,000 mAh power bank. And let me just say, this is not your average battery brick. We're talking GaNTech laptop level power delivery, 3 USB-C ports, 1 USB-A port, and a screen that shows live power draw. This thing can charge your MacBook, iPad, iPhone, and any other device all at the same time, and still have juice left over. If you travel, work remotely, or you just want emergency power you can actually rely on, this is it. It's usually around $260, but for Prime Day it's going down to around $199. It's definitely worth it if you're in the power user crowd. Now, Prime Day is the perfect time to grab the Samsung T9, especially if you're dealing with big files like I am. This thing has been a lifesaver in my workflow. I edit 4K and 8K footage directly off the drive with speeds up to 2000 megabytes per second, so no lag, no drama, no corrupt files. I tried the Samsung T7 and that thing was making my Final Cut Pro software lag like crazy. Once I got the T9, no lag, no problem. This thing is pocket-sized, drop resistant, and built for creators like myself who can't be bothered with slow gear. And right now, this thing is going for way less than usual. So if you've been eyeing on a reliable SSD, don't wait. The Samsung T9 is on sale for Amazon Prime Day. Now, I was trying to get the FujiFilm X106, but it's sold out everywhere here in Canada. So I settled for the XM5, and honestly, I think I lucked out. It's got the same 26 megapixel sensor, that gorgeous Fuji color science, 6.2 open gate video, flip screen, a film simulation dial, and a built-in directional mic, all in a compact, lightweight body. If you can find this in stock, just get it. It's so hard to come by. If you've been hunting for a creator-ready Fujifilm camera, this might be the sleeper hit of the year. Now, let's talk about the iPad Mini 7. This thing is tiny but powerful. You're getting Apple's A17 Pro chip, the same one found in the iPhone 16 Pro, and full support for Apple Intelligence features. This is the perfect travel tablet. You toss it in your bag, you whip it out on an airplane, you use it as an ebook, games, media, or even note-taking with the new Apple Pencil Pro. For a lot of people, this thing is actually better than buying the iPad Air or the Pro because it's so much more portable. And now that it has a brighter screen and better thermals, it finally feels complete. Prime Day pricing could bring it down to about $400. If you see that, don't wait. So yeah, Amazon Prime Day 2025 is filled with a lot of noise, but these products that I showed you, they actually deliver. Whether you're leveling up your daily carry, your workspace, or your ecosystem, there's something in this list for everyone. As usual, all the links will be down below, and I'll update the pinned comments with real-time Prime Day pricing as deals go live. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys made it to the end of this video, drop a dolphin emoji down in the comments below. I would love to know who my true supporters are. As always, I'll catch you guys all in the next one, and don't forget to flex with your tech.